The halo wire works like a built-in topper grip kind of, and it gives you that tension around the nape of your neck to hold the lace tighter to your skin. The process for putting it on is you want to pull up your hair, then you want to hold the halo string like this so that the base of your topper, the underside of it, is facing away from you. The lace will kind of fold over so you can touch your forehead to it and then put the halo wire around the back of your neck underneath your ponytail or clip. You can take your hair out and then flip the topper back so that it's sitting on top of your head, and the lace front should be right at your hairline. You clip in the rest of your clips, and then you can take a comb and kind of pull out the sides of your own bio hair. You can comb through the topper to kind of mesh it with your own bio hair. For every day, this is totally secure enough for me. If I want it to be more secure, I will definitely use tape or glue. And the halo wire actually helps if you're gluing the topper down. It will hold that lace taut while the glue dries. So that's an added benefit.